Good morning class. Today I'm not going to teach you any new topic. This is your revision class. We will discuss about the previous topic, and the first topic is the sentence. And the sentence is your chapter number first. Sentence means a sentence is a group of words that is arranged in a grammatical way and that gives a complete sense or complete meaning. Means a sentence is the basic unit of language. Sentence is basic unit of any language, whether it is English language, Hindi language or any other language. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense, contains a main verb and start with capital letter. Start with capital letter. For example, Rahul is going to the market. Rahul is going to the market. It is arranged in a grammatical way and it has a verb, a main verb, going. So it is a sentence. The students are studying. It is also a sentence because it is arranged in a grammatical way and it has a noun, means subject, and a verb. In simple terms, a sentence is a set of words that contain a subject and a predicate. Means we can divide the sentence into two parts: subject and predicate. Subject and predicate. Subject means, as I told you, subject is what the sentence is about, means the topic of the sentence whom we are talking about. As today our topic is the sentence, I am teaching you about sentence. So sentence is topic or subject. And predicate means what is said about the subject, means the rest part of the sentence that is telling something about the subject. Subject means noun or pronoun. Subject is always any noun or any pronoun. So we can divide the sentence into two parts: subject and predicate. And predicate part always has a verb, and without verb we cannot form any sentence. A sentence must contain a subject and a verb. Noun or pronoun is always a subject. Means subject is always any noun or any pronoun. Okay, as I told you, sentence is a group of words that is arranged in a grammatical way and that gives a complete sentence. Rahul is going to the market. Rahul is going to the market. It has a complete sense. Rahul is going to market means Rahul market जा रहा है. But when we write it in this way, going, market, Rahul, the, so it is not arranged in a grammatical way. So we cannot call it a sentence because it is not giving any complete sense, any meaning. A sentence must contain a subject and a verb. Noun, pronoun. Noun means any person, any place, any animal or thing, or anything like book, copy, your table, your teacher, your parents, student, mobile, TV, means noun. And pronoun means the word which we use in the place of noun is called pronoun. He, she, it, this, that. These are examples of pronoun. About pronoun we will discuss in the next video. So, subject is always any noun or any pronoun. Okay. Now, types of sentence. Types of sentence. As you know, there are 4 types of sentence. simple or declarative sentence or statement. Simple or declarative sentence or statement, command or imperative sentence, question or interrogative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. So there are mainly four type of sentence. Okay, declarative sentence means that gives some information about any person, any place, any animal, or anything. Interrogative means the sentence that asks something is called interrogative sentence. For example, did you complete your homework? Exclamatory sentence means the sentence which gives sudden emotion or sudden feeling, whether it is any happiness, any joy, or any surprise, means sudden feeling. For example, she is going to fall. It is a exclamatory sentence. Then imperative sentence. Imperative sentence always give command, request, or order or advice. Command, order, request, and advice. So this is your revision chapter about sentence and types of sentence. In the next video, we will discuss about noun, noun number, and noun gender. So your homework is learn the definition of sentence, types of sentence, and write four examples of all type of sentence and divide it into subject and predicate.